Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, it's Marcão 3D. Today I'm gonna teach you how to import a 3D model in Blender and export to augmented reality using Arloopa. We're gonna go through the whole process. I will teach you step by step what you need to do to make your augmented reality models. Let's go. So guys, the first thing you need to do is import your own 3D model. You're gonna come here on File, Import. As you can see, Blender has a lot of types of 3D models that you can import. STL, FBX, GLB, and the model we need to export from Arloopa is GLB, but you can import whatever you want. So I'm gonna import a FBX model. I have this FBX model that I made of myself. It's a photogrammetry model and I can teach you how to do that in another video, okay? So as you can see, my model has a lot of details and my mesh has a lot of polygons, okay? Guys, I don't wanna export my 3D model without any animation. So I make a 3D rigging from this model and I will import on the scene. I'm gonna come in File, Import, FBX, and I'm gonna come here and take this one. As you can see, it's the same model. I will hide this first one, and when I click here, let me change from shaded mode because the texture is too heavy. So I'm gonna click here. As you can see, my model is animated and it's a pretty cool animation. I will teach you how to do that in another video. So I'm gonna turn on my texture and I will export this model from augmented reality. How can you do that? You need come here on File, Export, GLB, okay? Now you just have to come here and make your own setup. Don't forget to mark animation, shape keys and skinning, okay? And include, as you can see, visible objects is not marked. So I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna come back to my model. Guys, as you can see, I have this 3D model hidden. So when I come here in File, Export, GLB, I need this option is to mark because my model will export just the visible ones, okay? I'm gonna click here and choose some folder to export. I'm gonna change the name, Augmented Reality Freestyle, and I'm gonna put on my desktop, okay? And I will click here. You just have to wait the Blender export. It's done. I'm gonna come back to my desktop. Guys, as you can see, my model works really good. You don't need to worry about scale right now. You can adjust that on Arloopa App. So let's go do that. You're gonna open Google Chrome, come to Arloopa Studio.
Arloopa Studio is a complete place for you to create your own models. As you can see, there are 4 types of creation. I always choose markerless because I want to place my model anywhere in space. But you can choose location based and use your own GPS data to place your model in anywhere. You can attach the 3D animation into printed image if you are choosing market based. And the most cool thing I can't forget, Arloopa Studio is a free-for trial, so you are free to make any task you want. If you want to know more about Arloopa Studio, you can check the link from Arloopa Academy on the description below.
Guys, if you don't have your account, you just need to create a new account and log in, okay? So after that, you're gonna click here, create new experience, markerless, GLB file, next. You're gonna put your title, Augmented Reality, Avatar, Marcão 3D. Marcão 3D Animated. You're gonna need a preview image, so we're gonna come back here and I'm gonna make a photo. Let me choose a good one. I'm gonna open Punch. It's really good. And save this one. Save as preview 3D Marcão. Now I'm gonna come back here, choose the image and choose GLB file. I will choose the 3D model that we created. Next. As you can see, guys, I will zoom out until my model show up. Here is my model. He is too large for the scene. I'm gonna click it on my model, and after that I will rescale my model.
Guys, I have a really important thing to tell you. My model was too giant, and this doesn't work well on Arloopa Studio. It was really bad handles. So next time your model was really giant, you have to go to the Blender and rescale the model, so you can upload it again on Arloopa Studio, okay?
Now my 3D model is in the center of the scene. Let me play the animation. This is good. Now you just have to click in Publish and I will show you the final result on my house.